Well, for years now, California has been warning people about the health risks of living too close to a freeway. But at the same time, the state has been giving grants to build housing right next to busy freeways. And we found one such example of this contradiction in San Jose. Low-income housing complex being built on Bassett Street, a stone's throw from Highway 87. KPIX 5 Devin Fehely went to ask city leaders what's more important, housing or health?
Yeah, it should really come as no surprise that cars create a lot of pollution. Living next to it is not good. Certainly breathing it in all the time is not good. Doctors know it. The state knows it as well. But in seeming contradiction to that knowledge, the state also helps fund affordable housing projects like the ones here in downtown San Jose that are, you guessed it, right beside busy, dirty highways.
Any affordable housing is a better solution than people living unsheltered on the street.
Despite well-documented health concerns like an increased risk of asthma and heart attacks from car pollution, San Jose, like many Bay Area cities, continues to build housing along busy highways, including projects aimed at helping one of the most vulnerable segments of the population, the homeless.
Certainly someone who's living in a tent outdoors near a freeway is at far greater risk than somebody living indoors with sealed windows and a filtered air conditioner.
According to current estimates, there are more than 5,000 homeless men, women, and children living in San Jose, often in the squalor of makeshift tent cities, like this one near the intersection of 101 and 280. And homeless advocates say excluding sites for affordable housing that border highways is not feasible in the face of a problem that's reached crisis proportions.
If you live on the street for a period of time, your life will be shortened by 10, 20, or 30 years. So clearly that health risk far outweighs any other health risk.
Mayor Sam Liccardo says it's not just housing for the homeless being built along transit corridors, it's luxury homes and high-rise condos as well. And he says electric cars and improved construction methods should mitigate some of the risks of having a freeway a stone's throw from your front door.
There are certainly known risks, and that's why we have sealed windows. That's why we have advanced filters for air conditioning and other means to ensure people are safe.
Now, the mayor says that by building housing near transit corridors, the city hopes that it will eventually encourage people to basically ditch their cars and use public transit, something that would ultimately reduce pollution and the risk to people's health. In downtown San Jose, Devin Fehely, KPIX 5.